Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a purse that I just got from this brand called Brandon Blackwood NYC. That's their Instagram handle. Brian Blackwood is a Jamaican designer. He makes a bunch of different purses and he's based in New York. Now the purse I'm going to be unboxing is his ESR Tote. It says End Systemic Racism. The first time I saw this purse was on Miss Kim Kardashian herself, and I thought it was super cute, and then I found out who the designer was and fell even more in love. Parts of the proceeds do go to aid pro bono lawyers who are working in the fight to help Black people who have been wrongfully incarcerated or wrongfully charged for, you know, whatever crimes committed. This tote in particular, because this was a redo, the original one was, I believe, a canvas, and this one should be a satin, and the proceeds are going to a different cause. And then this one, it's in, I believe, 6 colors, and I got the off-white one. Let me pull up his Insta real quick. Jamaican, so you know what I represent. Yeah, so this one is the satin canvas, 7 colors. Portion of the proceeds are going to Door NYC and Black Girls Code. Based on his IG, this is what the caption reads: when I was younger, I would go to Door NYC and have a safe space to be my most authentic self. I could be Black, gay, and creative in peace without judgment. I also chose Black Girls Code because this brand, aside from me, is run by Black women. My immediate team is made up of the smartest, strongest Black women. Black women literally carry this brand and have made it what it is today. It makes complete sense that we reinvest into future talents and the very Black women that will be running things in years to come. And then he does a thank you, and it really did ship really fast. It says, and yes, they all ship within 24 to 72 hours. Listen, when I placed my order, I got shipping info like probably 2 days later, and it came today, Monday. I think I ordered it the Thursday. When did these drop? I ordered it the day they dropped, I think. Available now. That was 6 days ago. Yeah. Or maybe it was 5 days ago I ordered it. But anyways, the colors are super, super cute. I feel like if I could, I would should get somewhere. But the one that the original ESR tote is sold out, and that was $70, and then the new colorways are $80. I'm like focused on looking right. The new ESR totes are $80 and everything is sold out. No, the cream white is still in stock. That's the one I have. The baby blue is still in stock. That one's cute, but the original one for $70 is sold out. So have not even opened the box as yet. Tape still on there, so we're gonna unbox it together. All right. Inside it's so cute. All right, so inside there it comes in a dust bag, and it does have a little thank you note. Brandon Blackwood, New York. Thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I loved designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. That's the card. There we go. Again, ignore my chipped nail, but that's the note. Brandon Blackwood, NYC. First thing, take it out. Dust bag. She is cute. And it says End Systemic Racism. Super cute. So the bag itself is satin, but the handles are off that cloth material. Very tiny, very cute. I do have a baby shower coming up on Sunday, I want to say, or Saturday. I think Saturday. I think I'm gonna wear this because it's an all white baby shower. It comes with a strap, additional strap, and it is the same, kind of like a canvasy material, like a bungee, not bungee, I don't know. It comes stuffed with paper. It's super cute. You could fit a good amount of stuff in here. The lining is cloth, like a cottony, polyester-y It has his Blending Blackwood New York logo on the inside. Right here, there's a pocket, a little phone. Let's see what I can put in here. Phone. Is this turning into a what's in my bag? Let me put that phone in the pockets and see if it will work. Yeah, no, it fits, but it wouldn't close. Okay, so the phone is in there, keys in there, and my wallet fit. Yeah, my wallet fits in there. Travel Lysol and hand sanitizer. Strap those in it. Boom, she closes. How cute. How cute is that? I love her. But yeah, that's my purse, and it does have feet on the bottom, so when you set it down on a table or something, it doesn't damage the purse itself. It has that, you know, protection right there, so it's elevated. And yeah, that's about it. The purse cost $80. Shipping was, how much was shipping? Was shipping free? I don't remember if shipping was free. I don't think so. If anything, shipping was probably like $5 or something. But it was shipped via UPS, USPS. I'm sorry, I think it was USPS. Yes, it was shipped by USPS, and I love it. It's super cute, and anything for a cause, honey. Cause and fashion. We love to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. I feel like I was doing this whole time. Like, my back is killing me. Oh my gosh. My hair looks cute though. Oh wow. That looks gorgeous. I'm gonna see if I could do a video on this. This is pretty. Wow. And this whole time I'm telling people you can't put products on synthetic hair, and look at that. That's cute.